Hi, what I'm going to show is I'm going to use Windows 7 here, Service Pack 1. I'm basically going to install VMware Player, the latest version, and then I'm basically going to load the Cloudera Udacity training VM. So first off, we're going to install VMware Player. So I'm not going to cover things like if you don't have admin or administrative privileges to your computer. I'm not going to go into the details of that. So I do have a pop-up here. Do you allow these changes? Yes. In this case, because of the way my system's set up, I can just click yes. I don't have to enter a password. Unfortunately, I can't cover all of the scenarios like I just mentioned. So we're just going to wait for this to start up. Okay. In some cases, I will be editing the video just to remove long pauses kind of thing, and I'll actually mention that if I determine something's taking a little bit too long, I'll edit the video in the end. So I'm just going to kind of go through the defaults here. Accept the license, next, 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 continue. Okay, so this may take a little while for VMware Player to install. So again, I'll probably edit the video and remove certain parts, and I'll specify it. And here we go. Okay, that took a few minutes, 3 or 4 approximately. So here we go, setup complete. Now I have a new icon, and I also have something here in my start menu as well. So I'm going to click on finish. Okay, so that's done. So now if I come back here, here's the zip file that I downloaded. So I have to open it. So if I just right click in Windows 7, there's an option there to unzip. Just going to pick the default here. So you'll notice all of this stuff is getting back opened up right here on my desktop, which is fine. Again, you may have preferences that differ, but I'm just trying to get this done and installed relatively quickly. Okay, so obviously this is the error that everybody seems to be getting with doing this on Windows 7. I completely forgot, so I'm just going to do this, and I'll edit out the video, but I'm actually going to go and download WinRAR. So there we go. So finally, we've got a clean, no errors when we used WinRAR to unzip that. So I'm just going to go open VMware Player. Okay, so we have it open here. Basically, the instructions or the wiki instructions say that we go and we open a virtual machine. So I'm going to click on that. And then basically here, we're just going to go and we're going to search for where we unzipped our content. So in here, and we see this file here, so we're going to say open. Just going to wait a little bit, and there we have it. So this is a little bit tricky in my particular instance because you may notice up here I'm running Workstation to run an operating system as a virtual machine, and in that I have VMware Player in that virtual machine to try to run another virtual machine. So it's commonly known as nested virtualization. It can be done. There's some tricks sometimes. So I'm not going to try to start the VM, but this is just kind of a proof of concept where everything is set up. It's only set up with 1 gigabyte of memory. I could do an edit here, and I could change it to 2 in my particular instance. Sorry, up here. Or leave it to 1, although the VM may run pretty slow. In my case, I have a laptop that has 8 gigabytes of memory. So giving this kind of 2 or even 4 is not a big deal. I don't leave it running all the time. Thank you.